Got one on the plug. Bluefish. I'd rather it be bass, but I'm not gonna complain. But some blues. Definitely a lot of fish on these schools here. These blues in the kayak, like I would, you know, if it's from the beach, I love catching these blues from the beach. But in the kayak, it's a little different. It's like, I don't love it as much because they're so erratic and crazy, and you're gonna get soaked by this bluefish. Big blue though, not real big. I mean, you're hardly gonna see a blue under 10 pounds out here. Majority of them are gonna be like 10 to 15 pounds. So when I say big blue, like it's relative. Like, I mean, this one, like relative to the school, probably isn't that big. He's pretty big. Hit that north bar darter. I'm gonna try to slip a boga grip in his mouth. My boga grip is like so old and sandy. It doesn't function correctly. Oh boy. Alright, there he is. Nice fat bluefish. Been eating that bunker. Take a look at that plug. Alright, we're gonna unhook him. It's probably 14 pounds. Good one. We got out here and like, oh boy, leader is now screwed. Got in his teeth. These things have lots of teeth. Alright, let's see what he weighs. Oh yeah, 15 pounder. Nice 15-pound bluefish. Not bad. Fun on the light tackle. There he goes. Now we have to retie. So blues are known for their teeth. You know, they're very toothy, and a lot of people use steel leaders, which like is definitely recommended. You know, the steel leader. But at the same time, when you're using a plug like this, a lot of times, you know, the bluefish hits it, and like his teeth will never hit your line. So what we got is 50-pound monofilament tactical angler's clip, and yet assuming that the fish isn't going to, you know, he's going to come up, he's going to eat it, and he's going to get hooked, and his teeth are going to hit the plug and not the line. Look at that leader. I got about 10 inches of leader. Let's see what else we can catch here. Damn, I thought it was going to be bass out here, but it's blues. We're going to give the snag and drop another try. Snag and drop. So far, for me, hasn't yielded any fish. Bites, yes, but no fish. It's like something about those bluefish. They have a hard time finding that 10-aught hook. Alright, let's try it. There we go, there's a bluefish. Maybe a bass. Probably a bluefish. Oh, well, he's off. Let's see if he comes right back for it. I think he will. He's back on it. Oh. Oh, what up? What up, Pen? What up, Pen? That's like the worst right there. That's the worst right there. Alright, well, that's gonna be... That's an interesting turn for the worse. My reel just broke. Oh boy. Oh, we're hooked up on big angry bluefish. Oh man. Can't believe the reel just snapped like that. That's ridiculous. Whoa there. Alright, well this reel is screwed in its entirety. This bluefish, this last reel, this bluefish is the last fish this reel will catch. Oh boy. Man. We're just gonna try to unhook this thing gracefully, quickly. There he is. Quick look at him. He's gone. Okay, here's what happened when I was fighting that fish. Okay, take a look at my reel here. This handle, which was attached right here, snapped. It snapped. Never seen that before. I don't know how, but it happened. And this is done. This reel is done. This setup is done. My day just got a little more interesting. And I think I'm gonna go put this darter back on. With these blues, it's like, why snag and drop? If I control them, they're not hitting poppers, man. That's the part that sucks. Like, I really wish these things were hitting top water. Let's troll it. Let's troll this around and see what happens. I'll be using this rod the rest of the day. It's a bluefish. I like how they don't fight until they get to the kayak. That's a pretty big one. He's a long bluefish. Hit the troll. He hit the darter. Whacked the darter. Just take our time with him. Let him tire out a little bit. I might have to take one of the treble hooks off this plug here. Oh, he's off. Alright, I like that. I like that. Alright, let's see if we can get another. Oh, got hooked up on the troll here just, what, 10 seconds after I turned the camera off? Turned the camera off because my GoPro batteries are dying, like, they're dropping like flies. So I was trying to conserve some battery. And then just hooked up like real quick. This one looks like, it's definitely a bluefish, but it looks like it's pretty big. And he's not especially big. Good one, sure. But when they're all over 10 pounds and there's 20 pounders and not 25 pounders, you could get a state record bluefish out here. Bunker schools, November like this. So, anything under 15 pounds is like pretty much average. This one, I didn't get a good look at him, but he's big, and the bunker real thick just here. 100 feet over there. They're real thick. They're real black. Water's black with bunker. This guy's hooked weird, I think. Snug. Alright. All we're really trying to do is break this rod, we're just torture testing this rod. Let it really, flex 180 degrees on these bluefish, these big bluefish. This one is hooked funny, so he's like really not easy to tame. Yeah, he's not real big. Alright. Honestly, like, I'm not trying to get a, you know, up close look at this fish. I mean, this is good enough for me right here. Look, he just popped off a little bit. And, alright, there he is. Yeah, he's not bad. Alright, danger. Danger. I'm about to bend my pliers out of shape here. Oh, get out of there, Bluefish. Get out of there. It's a good thing I brought these pliers, otherwise, man, it'd take all day to unhook these things. Alright, let's get a grip on him here. Alright, hook is out. There he is. Yellow-eyed demons. Give him a nice clean release. Another shot at life. Alright. I've been going back and forth between bunker snag, darter, and popper. I'll try the popper again. Just hoping. And they're not really hitting the popper. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. I saw him hit that. It was awesome. I know that they weren't here yesterday. These fish are moving like for real. I'm not sure what's happening right now, like moving backwards. He's pretty big. Some hooks just came undone though. Alright. Alright, Bluefish. Yeah, he's pretty nice. I'm gonna try to do this carefully here. Alright, there he is. Yeah, look at that Bluefish. Great fish, man. They go crazy. Alright, look how easy the hook just came out. Ready? Oh, yeah, nice Bluefish. Let him go. Cool, man.